It's a beautiful day, and yet feelings of sadness, loss of appetite, lack of concentration, low self-worth, and exhaustion riddle the mind. This is depression, and around the world, more than 300 million people suffer from it, making depression a global disability. Although common, many myths remain. It's all in your head. Depression only affects women. It's a sign of weakness. Talking about it only makes it worse. But what if we did talk about it? And what if we said, you're not crazy, you're not weird, and you're not alone? When depression is managed effectively, it's easier to lead a normal life. Meditation won't solve depression, and it often requires medical support. But by understanding our own minds, we edge closer to understanding other people's too.